Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Okay, in last class we have completed some textual exercises, children. Right? Till page number 47 we have completed, children. Okay, today we are going with this, children. See here. Here are some examples of sentence using nouns indicating ownership. Write an example of your own under each category. That means here some nouns they have given, children, and see already we know that these are possessive nouns, right? When we keep this apostrophe and s, it can be called as possessive. That means it belongs to that person. We will use this apostrophe and as, children. Now they have given some sentences with proper nouns and common nouns also. Already we did an exercise in companion about proper nouns and common nouns, right? Isn't it? See now, I see Raju's pen on the floor. Here Raju is the proper noun. Meena's mother works in a bank. Meena is a proper noun. Anita's dog is cute. Anita is a proper noun. We sat on the ship's deck. Okay, ship is a common noun. The peacock's feathers are blue. Peacock is a common noun. The chair's leg is broken. Your chair is a common noun. Okay, children, like that you have to write each one example sentence. Okay, see I have written here, Geeta's book is on the table. The bird's wing is broken. Like that we have to do, children. And next what we are having, children, already we have completed 3a, 3b and 3c also. We need to write 3d, children, in companion. We will do afterwards. First see these, children, everyone. See here what it's there. Children, here see, read this one in 3.8 page number 49. Read the heading. Look at the pictures of famous fairy tale and comic book characters. Name them. Match their pictures with the objects they are usually associated to. Okay, associated with. Okay, see, children, here like this they have given some fairy tale and comic characters, children, and these are the things those related to these people. Okay, you have to match like this one they did, children. See here Superman is there and Superman sign is they have given and they matched like this. See, afterwards matching like this you have to write the sentence, this is a Superman's sign. Like that you have to write, children. And next everyone do. See, fairy is there, right? Queen. This fairy is shoe, and here Batman is there, Batman mask, and here I don't know his name, that's why I have gave his name as Tom. Okay, Tom's flute, and I written here as Ben. Okay, this boy name I gave as Ben. If you know these two real names you can write, children. Actually I don't know, that's why I have given Tom and Ben's names to this. Okay, Ben's wine. Okay, there are two wines, children. W-I-N-E, wine. That is different from this wine. Okay, this is tiga. Okay, we will call them as tiga. That can be called as V-I-N-E, wine. Like this everyone write. This is batsman's mask. This is fairy's shoe. This is Tom's flute. This is Ben's wine. Okay, children, write like this 4 sentences. While you are writing you have to read, children. Everyone read along with me. This is batsman's mask. This is fairy's shoe. This is Tom's flute. This is Ben's wine, children. Now everyone turn your pages. Page number 50. Okay, children, here also they have given another exercise. I am leaving this one. If anyone is interested you can do this, children. And next coming to this summary, children, write a sentence using a noun indicating ownership. That means here a noun they have given Rahul's dog. That means here Rahul is the owner. It's indicating the ownership, children, right? Now we have to write a sentence with by using this noun. See, I have written like this: Rahul's dog is cute. Okay, Rahul's dog is cute. Like this you have to write, children. You can write by your own also your sentence, but I have given for example. Rahul's dog is cute. Okay, children. And next, see next page, children. Page number 51. Here I am giving this fun with words exercise as your homework, children. Everyone do it. Fill in the blanks with words that convey the meaning. Look before you leap, using the words given in the help box. Okay, children, that means you have to use these words in the blanks and you have to do this one. Okay, see, children, be alert when you cross the road. Do not make mistakes. Be careful. Exercise caution when you dive. Parents have children under their watchful eye. Like this you have to do fun with words exercise as your homework, children. This is about today's English class, children. Everyone read and write properly these exercises. Okay, children, and prepare well for examination, coming examination also. Okay, from these 3 lessons only we will get, children. Everyone do properly and try to submit your projects on time. Okay, as much as possible you have to do early and submit those also, children. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.